The MUSETEX G07-S6 gaming PC case comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, ensuring exceptional airflow and cooling efficiency for optimal system performance. Featuring a high-cost screw-free design and a magnetic glass door, this case offers unparalleled convenience in assembly and easy access to internal components. This mid-tower case showcases a premium design with 2 tempered glass panels, providing a durable and stylish display for your hardware components. With support for ATX, micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, the case offers ample space for up to 4 storage drives and up to 8 fans, making it highly versatile for custom builds. The case includes a smart I/O panel with 2 USB 3.0 ports, allowing for seamless connectivity and faster data transfer, along with HD audio capabilities for immersive sound. Enhanced with features like magnetic dust filters and noise-reducing sponge pads, the G07-S6 ensures longevity and a quieter computing experience.